Hello everyone, it's me JP from UniqueTutorials. Today in this video I'll show you how to remove manage by your organization option from Chrome and Edge web browser for Windows. So without further more delay, let's begin. So firstly, let me show you by opening the Chrome web browser, and when we click on this three dot icons on the right top corner, here you can see one option showing managed by your organization, right? So how you can remove this option showing managed by your organizations from your Chrome web browser. So firstly, let me show you in case of Edge web browser also you will get the same option. If you click on this three dot icons on the right top corner, you will see your managed by your organizations. So firstly, we're gonna check what's really this option is for. So when you click on it, you will see here it's showing something Microsoft Edge is managed by your organization, and you will see here one option. Just click on this. Now you can see here there is one option is being enabled or being modified by a name, this one. So you can note it if you don't know what the name of that as policy is, because in the later part of this video you will be needing this name to confirm. So you can see here, and let us check in case of Chrome also. So in case of Chrome, if you click on it, you won't see any options to check. So for this, on the address bar, just type Chrome : / and type policy and hit enter. Now you can see here one option that is with the name igniter mode ability is being enabled under this policies options, right? So now on your computer keyboard, just press Win+R to open the run program, and in the run program just type reset. Just type this name reset, and you can click on OK or hit enter on your computer keyboard. Now your registry editor program will get open, and now you will see here third folder name with the H key local machine. Just click on it, and now just click on this left arrow icon. Now just select this software folder, and once again click on this left arrow icon, and now just scroll down below. Now you will see here one folder name with the policies. Just click on it, and once again click on this left arrow icon. Now just select this Google folder, and once again click on this left arrow icon. Now click on this Chrome folder. Now you will see here option which we have seen in case of our Chrome web browser, that is available in the policies. Just click on it and right mouse click on it and click on delete. Click on yes, and now once again click on this Microsoft and click on this left arrow icon, and you will see your Edge folder. Just click on it, and you can see here which we have seen on the policy options in case of our Edge web browser. Just select it and right mouse click on it, click on delete, click on yes. So our task has been completed. Now you can close it. Now on your computer keyboard, just press Ctrl+Shift+Escape to open the task manager, and now just select this Windows Explorer and click on restart. Now let us check if this option managed by your organization is removed or not from the Chrome as well as from the Edge web browser. So let us open the Chrome web browser firstly, and let us click on these three dot icons. Voila, now you can see managed by your organization option is being removed. Now let us open the Microsoft Edge browser as well, and once again click on this three dot icons. Voila, now you can see the managed by your organization is also being removed from the Edge web browser. So by using these tricks, you can easily remove managed by your organization option from Chrome and Edge web browser for Windows very easily. So if you never known about the cool tricks, then you should definitely give it a try. So if you find this video tutorial useful, please click on the thumbs like button, and if you're new to our channel, click on the subscribe button, and lastly, thanks for watching.